Index of Chapter. Chapter 1. Kapil Sharma's Struggle. Chapter 2. Sandeep Maheshwari's Struggle. Chapter 3. Kapil Sharma's Breakthrough. Chapter 4. Sandeep Maheshwari's Breakthrough. Chapter 5. Kapil Sharma's Controversies. Chapter 6. Sandeep Maheshwari's Impact. Chapter 7. What we learn. Chapter 1. Kapil Sharma's Struggle. Kapil Sharma started his career as a stand-up comedian in the early 2000s. He faced numerous rejections and failures in the initial years of his career, as he tried to make a name for himself in the industry. He performed in small venues and comedy clubs across India, often for very little pay. Despite his struggles, he continued to hone his craft and develop his unique style of humor. Chapter 2. Sandeep Maheshwari's Struggle. Sandeep Maheshwari started his career as a photographer in the early 2000s. However, he soon realized that his true passion was in motivating and inspiring others. He faced numerous failures and setbacks as he tried to establish himself as a motivational speaker. He invested a lot of his own money in organizing seminars and talks, but often struggled to attract audiences. Chapter 3. Kapil Sharma's Breakthrough. In 2007, Kapil Sharma participated in the comedy reality show, The Great Indian Laughter Challenge. Although he didn't win the show, he gained recognition for his comedy and was offered a job as a host on a local TV channel. He continued to work hard and eventually landed his own show, Comedy Nights with Kapil, which became a huge hit. Chapter 4. Sandeep Maheshwari's Breakthrough. Sandeep Maheshwari's breakthrough came in 2010 when he uploaded a video of one of his motivational talks on YouTube. The video quickly went viral and attracted a lot of attention from people who were looking for inspiration and motivation. This led to more invitations to speak at seminars and events, and Sandeep Maheshwari eventually gained a massive following. Chapter 5. Kapil Sharma's Controversies. Despite his success, Kapil Sharma has faced numerous controversies over the years. In 2017, he had a public spat with one of his co-actors on The Kapil Sharma Show, which led to the show being temporarily taken off the air. He has also faced criticism for his behavior and language on the show. Chapter 6. Sandeep Maheshwari's Impact. Sandeep Maheshwari's talks and seminars have had a profound impact on many people's lives. He is known for his simple, practical advice on personal development and success, and his messages have resonated with audiences across India. Many people credit Sandeep Maheshwari with helping them overcome their fears and achieve their goals. Chapter 7. What we learn from both life. A. Persistence and hard work. Both Kapil Sharma and Sandeep Maheshwari have shown that success doesn't come overnight. They both had to work hard and persevere through numerous rejections and failures to achieve their goals. Their stories remind us that if we want to achieve success, we must be willing to put in the effort and not give up easily. B. Pursue your passion. Both Kapil Sharma and Sandeep Maheshwari found success by pursuing their passions. They didn't let fear or societal expectations hold them back from doing what they loved. Their stories remind us that we should follow our hearts and do what we truly enjoy, rather than conforming to what others think is safe or acceptable. C. Embrace failure. Both Kapil Sharma and Sandeep Maheshwari have faced numerous failures and setbacks in their careers. However, they didn't let those failures define them or stop them from pursuing their dreams. Their stories remind us that failure is a natural part of the journey to success and that we should embrace it as a learning opportunity rather than letting it discourage us. D. Impact others positively. Both Kapil Sharma and Sandeep Maheshwari have used their platforms to make a positive impact on the lives of others. They have brought joy, laughter, and inspiration to people across India and beyond. Their stories remind us that we should strive to use our own talents and resources to make a positive difference in the world. Like, share and subscribe for more valuable videos.